Wonder how it feels. Wonder how it feels to become a real fighter jet. It's probably gonna feel very bad because you know G-force, how you had to handle your lungs. That's probably gonna feel very bad. Yeah, you're right. Well, considering that you're playing a war game that is high stress, of course, yeah, things are practically going to be very stressful. But I didn't know that it would also be very stressful on your body when you fly an aircraft. Well, yeah, because I mean, you're putting so much force into your body, and like, you know, it's really strong for you. And plus you do have to deal with all the well, radiation that is in your body when you fly this high. Oh yeah, you told me that, yeah. Well, wonder what the kids are. Yeah. Hey Julia. Yeah, Mom. What's up? How are you guys doing? I'm doing fine. What? Why? I'm just wondering. Do you guys want to go to the park once, like, probably when, like, before sunset? Oh yeah, we should go to the park. Yeah, okay. And yeah, how about you teenagers? Well, I want to go to Best Buy. My gosh, you always like Best Buy for what? I mean, we can't go there a lot of times. I know, but let's see. I want to buy like a case for my Apple Watch. Besides, I got $200 for my graduation and for my good grades. So yeah. Oh well, yeah. My parents also give me stuff. Well, when I do very good at school. Well, what did you get? Well, let's say she received some B's and some C's. That's all she got. What? And you still give stuff to her despite her grade? Well, I mean, I think it's good, you know. But I mean, I feel like the rewards can go a little lower because you know how I got. Yeah, that's what I think. Please don't do this. I mean, I'd rather just be soft on what I do to you too, instead of, well, my heart. I mean, besides, you worked hard for it. You worked for it, so yeah. Even you too, Julian. Even you too, Julian. And, well, so all of my kids, yeah. Oh. Thanks, Mommy. I love you. I love you too, Julian. I love you too. Now, why don't you go back to play Nicholas? You know? Oh yeah. Hey, Nicholas. Let's play lightsabers. Just whatever you do, don't play hard, okay? All right, Mommy. Yeah, right. I'll be atoning for my crimes for attracting enemies' attention. Well, prison is prison. Yeah, I always thought prison was just hell, and its only purpose was to literally punish. No accountability. I mean, you know, no way to reshape yourself. Just, you know, that's why. Yeah, this prison, that's the reason why I don't really like prisons, because I don't really like its idea of how it's supposed to work. But You know what? Prison is prison. I can't really change it all up. Well, you said it. Mama? Yaja? What's up? Would you rather be in prison or be in juvenile... or will be in juvenile, like, what is it called? Do you mean the juvenile jail? Like, I forgot what it's called. But to answer your question, rather be in juvenile, because at least I can be, well, changed right there and released instead of being in prison, because that's just nothing. Prison is just there to literally keep you there until you die. Ugh. And unless you've committed a very serious crime that, well, threatens the lives of all humans, then yeah. Like you know what happened, like you know where we had so many FBI cases of Osa. Maybe not mention that since YouTube is watching us. But yeah, let's just play the game. Just let me put up the volume. There he goes. Alright, here he goes, Santiago. Is there even a setting where I can just fire my gun? Because it keeps on like... My sins? Bro, you gotta worry about your sins either. I'm not gonna be the only one remembering my sins. Oh, hold on. Okay, success. We got it. Dang, Alex, you're being very competitive. Well, yeah. These guys want to get away with me? Not a chance. Not a chance at all. You see that? Oh, I found something. Is it able to? No, it's not. We have to stop them. Dang it, I missed. Okay. Not gonna let him. Ah! Oops. I probably should have used my chaff and flares. Wait, what aircraft? Oh, it's the UAVs. The drones. No, I'm not gonna have time. Oh no, I think I might have lost.
Convicts, your time is up. Top brass wants you to head back. You have a nice time in solitary.
I was almost there. Wow. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, how about if I do it? Yeah. Yeah, how about you if you do it? I think you know how to do it. Bro, how did you pass that mission? Because I have experience with other fighter jets. Bro, go home. Well, I guess I should join the Air Force. Yeah, maybe you should, but I should join too with you. Just so that I could get more high scores than you. Try me. Well, yeah, that was good. Well, my uncle prepared for some food for us. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's go eat, Jack. Then we can go to Best Buy. Alright, man. Let's just do this. Let's eat. Nintendo Switches. Well, now that we're here, you said that you wanted to buy something? Yep, Jack. And yeah, it's somewhere right there. I'm gonna have to find it. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere right there. Let's see. There it is. A screen protector for your Apple Watch? Yeah? Oh, okay. Well, is that what you need? I'm also thinking of buying an SD card. You know, to mod the Wii. Oh, yeah. You haven't really used it for a very long time, so why not do that also? User graduation money? Yeah, but I'm not. But the problem is that it's inside of a paper box, which I don't know if I'm gonna get a refund if I rip it off. Just ask the employees. Yeah. Aren't you guys gonna look at somewhere else? Yeah, I'm gonna look at some technology. Yeah. Okay, well, just gonna keep this. Got it. Are you gonna place down your Apple Watch now, Santiago? Oh yeah. Well, first of all, I'm gonna have to clean up the gunk, some of the dirt. So yeah. Okay. And after that, I'm gonna need some. I'm gonna get my computer so I can try to see if I'm gonna try to clean up some of my technology, of the Wii and then my watch. Okay. Yeah, I'll just see. I'm most definitely not going to mod the Wii because first internet problems. Now the whole entire system is broken. So yeah, I'm not gonna do this. Oh my god. Now what are we gonna do? I don't really know. I'll see if I can restore the. No. I'll see. Okay. I'll see. Do you take a break? I'll see what I can do about it. All right. Yeah, Jesus. All right. Well. And yeah. Wait, where's Willie and Nicholas? They're back already. Why, you want to see them? No, I'm just wondering. Okay. Well, are you gonna install the protector on your Apple Watch? Yeah. All right. come with you. Alright. Okay, well, I got it. You see? I told you it will work. Let's see how it looks. Oh, wow. This is definitely new. Thanks. It's all thanks to these tools. I'm just gonna keep the cloth. Yeah, you should definitely keep it. Well, what are you gonna do? Well, now I have it fixed up. I guess now that's it. By the way, what types of Apple products do you have? Well, MacBook Pro, M5, M5. Oh no, yeah, M5. 14-inch. What else? Like iPhone 17 Pro, the white one, and also like the Apple Watch Series 11 that I got as new. Wow, you are really such a modern person, aren't you? Yep, I am. Well, at this point, I was considering about getting an iPhone 18, in case iPhone 18 Pro, not the Max. Oh, why not? Well, you know, cause like, I'm surprised that we pour all this money into technology. Yeah, I know, but my family does also try to find a way to spend time, with us. You know. Hey, you too. Oh, hey, puppy. Hey, Alex. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Oh, yeah? How about you? I'm doing fine, Roberto. Nice. Well, what were you two talking about? We're just talking about Apple products. Apple products? Like what? You know, what I have, you know. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I do know that you do have, like the MacBook Pro, right? Yeah. I still remember how I did tell you that, somehow you guys somehow forgot to give me like for Christmas like a MacBook Pro, the white one only, but you just got me. Yeah, I know. I'm very sorry. I because me and your mother thought that the black one was cool, you know. So I just thought of getting that. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess I can live with that. Thank you, by the way. You're welcome. You're welcome, Mika. Anything for you. Well, somewhat. I can't really always give you anything. I don't want you to. Well, you know. I cannot always do that, you know. Yeah, I know. Well, when are we ever going to make, when are we ever going to make you learn how to drive? I don't really know. You should know. You should know. You know, because sooner or later you're gonna have to take the driving test. Yeah, I'll find out when. Me too. Yeah, I think it's time for you both to know how to drive. Yeah. Well, put this stuff away. Keep it in the cloth. Okay, well. How's work? Pretty good. You know, just dealing with, customers, having to cook for them, and that's so and so. Were they rude? Some of them. Like I don't know why, but sometimes I get the feeling that I'm going to get beaten up. I don't really like that feeling. It scares me. Yeah. Well, don't imagine it, just like how mom says, don't imagine it. Just imagine the positives. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. She's driven up to my head at this point. Well, pretty sure the kids are literally going to be playing like, I don't know what they're going to be doing. Well, hey, you want me to tell you a story? What is it? So, remember the time that we went to like, well, so okay, here's the story. So, in like yesterday, as we were at the gym, there was something that kept happening inside of one of my muscles. Where did it happen? It happened right there. Or no, it happened on my wrist. And I was lifting weights, you know, because you know how I like to do that, you know? Yeah? Well, as I was doing that, I was like, I guess I just lifted too much, and I extended it so hard, and this part completely had it, you know, like like my elbow, I think that's what it's called, like the upper side, not like behind my elbow, there was some, I think I actually literally quite ripped, like extended my muscle right there. What? Yes, I actually did. So, and as a result, it literally hurt me, you know. I had to, like, I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And I literally let go of the weights, and it made like some kind of really crashing, like a really loud sound. You know? Some men were like coming here asking, "Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay?" And I was like, "No, I don't think so. I extended my muscle, like I overextended it." So like I had to sit down, and then like I had to let my muscle recover before I can do any more weights, because I actually overextended it, you know. Like it was super painful. Like it was so bad that I literally let go of the weights, that was like, you know, like I was super scared that I might end up in like some kind of surgery procedure to literally fix up my arm, or like whatever happened to like at the behind of this elbow. But like the tendons overstretched, like the tendons over there overstretched. So yeah. Oh my, well, careful next time. Yeah, that's why I always tell, well, your friend Santiago to be very careful when always be mindful of what weights. Don't over push himself, because it might not end well for him. That's like trying to make himself more like I don't know how to say this. Like he's trying to, like it would be equivalent to like a man trying to impress a woman in a unnecessary way, you know. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, of course. So what'd you guys do in the house? He tried to modify. We play games, video games as always, and he tried to modify like the Nintendo Wii, but it didn't really work for him that well, so he just gave up. And the internet on the Wii just failed. Oh my, is he going to be able to fix it? Probably, I don't know. Oh, well, hopefully he can. Well then. Um um you want to, Alex? Yeah. Daddy? You wanna call your friend Lana to see how she's doing? Oh, Lana? Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Just let me get the phone. Okay. Alright, Alex. I got Lana on the FaceTime call. Oh, nice. Can I talk to her? Yeah, she's right there on the phone. Okay. Hey, Lana. How you doing? Pretty good, Alex. Pretty good. And you, how are you doing? Well, I'm doing all fine. Thanks. So you're coming to Victorville at Friday, right? Or Los Angeles, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming to Victorville I'm sorry, Los Angeles on Friday. Just the flight is gonna be the flight's gonna depart at 6 a.m. So yeah, hopefully you guys are there once we arrive. Also, yeah, Malo's gonna be coming too. Yeah, Malo's gonna be coming too, and yeah, we already prepare. We already know what bags are gonna be preparing. So yeah. Oh nice, no, Lana, nice Lana. Yeah, well, yeah. Hopefully you have a safe flight. Thanks, Alexandra. Oh, and by the way, where is Santiago? Oh, hey, Lana. Hey, Santiago. How are you doing so far? I've been doing good, thanks. That's nice, Santiago. That's nice. Well, yeah, I am going to be coming to, with you guys on Friday, okay? Yeah, just, yeah. Um, are you interested in what type of plane I'm taking, are you thinking? Well, yeah, I am. What's the type? Well, the type of plane I'm going to be taking is the, what did my mom say again? The type of plane I'm going to be taking? It'll be the Airbus A330. Is it, isn't the Airbus A330? Yeah, it should be the Airbus A330. And the airline will be Aloha or, oh my gosh, I am very terrible at airlines. Hawaiian Airlines, yeah. Hawaiian Airlines, that's where I'm gonna be going. Oh, nice. Yeah, well, good to see you, Lana. Hopefully we can meet again. Alright, well, I'm just gonna go back. I'm just gonna get back. Alright, Santiago, goodbye. Well, Alex, I'm going to have to go to sleep now. So, yeah, I'll see you once we depart, or once our trip is about to begin. Okay? Okay, Lana. I'll see you, alright? Oh, and by the way, how is it over there in Hawaii? My hometown Hawaii is pretty good, It's pretty good, It's just a little bit rainy and hot, but yeah, it should be fine, Summer days are like this. It's normal. Alright, Alex, I'm gonna have to go to sleep, alright? Good night. Good night, Lana. Well, okay. Well, alright, so yeah. You already had your talk with Lana? Yeah, puppy, yeah. Alright. Can't wait to see her? Yep, I can. Me too. Except I don't know where they're gonna be sleeping. We'll try to find a way to have them sleep on the couch, but I mean, yeah. Yeah. If you're gonna be, me and well Samantha and well your mother Alexandra has agreed that have to agree that and be considerate of be considerate of our kids that we have to agree where they're gonna sleep. We can't always have this much people at the house because it's very stressful. So yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Well. Yeah, sometimes this has come a huge cost, but yeah, I can understand why. It beats me. Beats me. Well, do you guys wanna go to the living room to watch TV? Yeah, let's go there, Sergio. Alright. Let's go. Feel like spends time in the couch. Well, I think it's time that we should just go to sleep, yeah? Yeah, cause we have to get sleep tomorrow. What do you guys wanna do tomorrow? Do you wanna like you wanna go to should we start cleaning tomorrow? I don't really know. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, come on. How about this? I try to help, and so that we can do this, alright? Okay. Don't worry. It's gonna be easy. Just, don't expect a lot. Just don't expect a lot of what I'm gonna give you back. Just, but it'll be good. And to help your family, Yeah, you already drove that to my head. Yeah. Yeah. Well, is everybody gonna sleep? Because I'm gonna be sleeping with Jack. I wonder why he always doesn't really want to sleep with me. I mean, he doesn't mind sleeping with you, but he rather sleeps more with his grandmother since, Santiago is here. Is that the reason why he sleeps mostly with his grandmother? I don't know. But, our family's weird anyways. Yeah, you get it. Well, let's just get into our beds. Alright, good night, puppy. Good night, Alex. Love you. Love you too. Good night, Will. Good night. Good night, Nieta. Let's go to sleep. Alright. Good night, you two. Good night, Santiago. Good night, Santiago. Let's go to sleep. Yeah. With you on that.